guys, now we are going to talk about hypervisor and virtual machine in cloud computing. This PPT was presented by D.Suvedha, MSc, B.Durgadevi, MSc. What is virtual machine? Virtual machine is the virtualization or emulations of computer system. Virtual machines are based on computer architectures and provide the functionality of a physical computer. And exactly what is virtual machine means? You can split the work means one resources to another resources. We have one resources means you can split the message as work or something you can split into another. And also virtual system has different types. There are access, applications, CPU, storage, and it costs or access on meter basis. Multi-tenancy is enabled and the resources are scalable with eligibility. And then we can virtual machines. There are operational flexibility, reducing overheads, utilization, scalability, disaster recovery. First, operation flexibility means operate a separate instance of multiple OS types. And there are different types of OS. For example, smartphone, iPhone, Android, normal other phone. Every phone should have the different types of OS. Okay. If you can run the multiple virtual machines on the same underlying hardware means it reduces the overhead. And centralization means consolidate system to simplify management. And scalability means easily scale your virtual environment as your business grows. Easily scalable for your desk. Disaster recovery means restore data and system states from VM instant. If you can store the data in cloud means you can easily adapt and restore the data and use it. And then a hypervisor, also known as a virtual machine monitor, that creates a software that creates and runs virtual machines. A hypervisor allows one host computer to support multiple host VM machine by virtually sharing its resources such as memory and processing. It means the software that is created and done by virtual machines. Hypervisor is one host computer to multiple resources or guest VM by virtual sharing. Hypervisor is one host is available, but there are multiple resources to accept and store it. Okay, then you can able to see the diagrams on the left side. Hardware OS, intermediate hypervisor, and virtual hardware OS. Hardware OS means one is there, and you can split it into multiple hardware OSs used by hypervisor with the help of hypervisor. And then type 1 is bare metal or VM native. Type 1 hypervisor are often used in enterprise environment for server constellation virtualization. Examples of type 1 hypervisor include VMware, EXI, and Microsoft Hyper-V. VMware vSphere is a management infrastructure framework that virtualizes system, storage, and network hardware. VMware has a set of services and applications. There are VMware vComputer, VMware vStorage, VMware vNetwork, application service, etc. And the bare metal or VM native is one of the hypervisor sets. And next is types in the hosted VM, which one is going to host. Type 2 hypervisors are typically used by developers and enthusiasts for testing and experiment. This type 2 hypervisors are used to testing and execute the experiment by developers. Examples of type 2 hypervisors include Oracle VirtualBox and VMware Workstation. For example, Oracle VirtualBox means you can create the Windows, Ubuntu, and the virtual machine, one file transfer from one virtual to another virtual, and execute with a simple program, C program compiler. These are the Oracle VirtualBox users. This one is hypervisor, type 1 hypervisor and type 2 hypervisor. You can see the first diagram. Type 1 hypervisor, one hardware and intermediate between hypervisor and guest 1 and guest 2. Hardware OS is split into two hosts. Split into two hosts, guest 1 and guest 2. Type 2 hypervisor is on hardware and one host OS. Who going to host OS to intermediate hypervisor is split into two, guest 1 and guest 2. These are the types of hypervisor and represented in the diagram. I hope you can understood this diagrams what is what. And then first one is speed. Hypervisor allows virtual machine to be created instantly, unlike bare metal servers. This makes it easier to provision the resources as needed for dynamic workloads. and then hypervisor is going to speed virtual machine speed. If you can use an Oracle VirtualBox means that the running speed is very important than the payment the servers. And next one is server consolidation. A key feature of hypervisor is dashboard, which centralizes server management over multiple VMs which may be running different operating systems. This types of multiple virtual machines means there are different type of running in the different type of OS. For example, I may again say that mobile example for a mobile. Different types of mobile means there are different types of OSs represent and running background on the Windows. And data replication. VMs are notoriously difficult to replicate using traditional methods. It is usually necessary to replicate the entire volume for the virtual machines. And frequently, all the virtual machines on a particular server talk about eating up storage. Virtual machine is very important, and the methods is initially necessary replicate to the virtual machine frequently and the particular server. The storage is very important, and then there are uses in currently Microsoft Hyper-V VirtualBox. Already I told that VirtualBox is used to run on this Ubuntu's, Windows, file transfer one to another, and VMware is on type of the virtual machines, and it's provided some types of services. Already I told that. VMware vSphere is cloud computing virtualization platform. It then is used to send some kind of infrastructures, products. There are many resources are available. And now you can see first one is Microsoft Hyper-V Containment Validation, briefly known before it released on Windows Server Station. Next VirtualBox is Oracle VM VirtualBox is type 2 hypervisor. This is type 2. Before on is type 1, and Oracle VM VirtualBox is type 2 hypervisor developed by Oracle Corporation. VirtualBox were originally created by Intech System Ratings CMBH, which was acquired by Sun Microsoft in 2008. And VMware vSphere is cloud computing resource virtualization platform. It includes an update vCenter configuration manager as well as vCenter application Discord managers. And finally, now our PPT's presentation is over. I hope you are like and understood what is I would like to say about. I would like to share about the thoughts in with you. Once again, thank you for all.